Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can install extension in your Google Chrome browser. And here I will show you complete detail about extension, how you can install, how you can remove, which extension is good for your work. So friends, keep watching. In this video I will guide you step by step process all the things. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. So this is my Google Chrome browser, and here we are going to install multiple extension over here. Okay, so first thing first, we are going to click on this three dot icon, and then we are going to hover the mouse on extensions, and here you will see visit Google Chrome web store. You simply click on it, and friend, here you will see Google Chrome is providing you lots of extensions regarding shopping, entertainment, tools, art design and accessibility. Okay, and here you will see this top chart option, and here you will see these are the best extensions which is running over here. You can install it and use the features of it. And here you will see the popular extensions, and you can also install these things and this will help you. Okay, so here we are going to install extension first. So here we are going to install this one, Urban Safe Browser. This is basically an extension which will guide you which website is safe or malware website. Okay, so this is very handy and useful extension. So we are going to install this extension first. So simply click on this add to Chrome button, and you will get this pop-up box, and then simply click on add extension. So this will install this extension in your browser. Okay, so friend, you can see that my browser is installed this extension. Okay, let's see the extension first. So here we are going to again click on this three dot icon, then click on this extension, and here you will see manage extensions. You simply click on it, and friend, here you will see this extension is installed now. So friend, here many things are available, so I'm going to share with you in extension what things you can do over here. Okay, so friend, this is the extension page. So friend, if you want to disable or enable extension, you simply do that. So here I'm going to share with you. So friend, this is the awesome screen recording and screenshot option is available, and here you will see this is toolbar option which is available here. So all extension will showing over here if you enable or disable these things. So first thing first, we are going to disable this extension first. So friend, here you will see that extension is gone, but this extension is available in our system, not removed. This is simply disable. Okay, and here this is the another extension. So here we are going to click on it. So this extension is showing over here, and we want to disable. So friend, here you can see that that extension is gone now. Okay, and here also you will see this extension is showing. Again, we are not disable these things. You simply click on this detail icon, and here we are going to unpin extension. Okay, so how we can do that? So friend, here you will see this extension is showing over here, and here you will see one thing, pin to toolbar option. Okay, when this will enable, that extension will showing over here. Okay, so we are going to simply click on this pin to toolbar, and here you will see that extension is gone. Okay, so this extension is not disabled, but this extension is unpinned from this toolbar. Okay, and here we want to pin another extension over here. So simply click on this details and friend, scrolling down over here and find out pin to toolbar. Okay, and when you click over here, and here you will see this extension is showing over here. Okay, and if you want to disable this extension, you simply click on it, so your extension will remove over here and this extension is temporary disabled. Okay, and if you want to enable these things, you simply click on it and your extension will enable. Okay, now here I'm going to share with you, if you want to remove the extension, then what you will do. Follow the simple method. For example, you are here on this page, like on home page, and if you want to remove your extension, okay, simply click on this three dot icon, then find out extension, then click on manage extension, and here you will see this all extensions list will be there. You simply click on this remove button. Okay, so here we are going to click on this remove button, and here you will see this pop-up box is showing over here. Again, confirm remove button, you simply click on it and your extension will removed. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can easily install and uninstall your extension in Google Chrome. And here also I guide you how you can pin and unpin your extension in toolbar. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.